Get the power cord, find out the red line and black line first. Connect the red line to the positive side of the battery. There are 4 wires on the relay. One is yellow, 2 are green, and another is white. If you want to cut off petrol or power, connect the white one to the positive side of power, 12 to 24 volts. The white line should be connected to ACC line . The other 2 green lines should be connected with pump line. While the yellow line is to be connected with the relay 86. Send SMS to set the SOS number and center number. As the setting is done, you can send SMS command to the device to cut off petrol or power. And the black line to the negative side.